striking straight punch and
because you can punch, and if you want you can switch the grip, you can go for that techniques and you can slip. वो brass knuckles और steel knuckle वाला concept है.
hit on the directly hit on here.
If you have it in this grip,
Yeah.
now it acts as that kind of thing, right? वेलकम बैक. ट्रेडिशनल वेपन बहुत तरीके के होते हैं, बट देर आर वेरी फ्यू एवरीडे कैरी सिस्टम्स दैट वी हैव. इसमें आप ऐसी चीज़ों को यूज़ करते हैं जो आप एवरीडे में वेयर करते हैं, एवरीडे में आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो ये कड़ा होता है, बेसिक कड़ा है, लेकिन आप ट्रेडिशनल फाइटिंग मार्शल आर्ट वगैरह में आप देखेंगे दिस इज़ द सेम थिंग विच इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड समटाइम्स एज लोह मुष्टि और वज्र मुष्टि. वज्र मुष्टि, इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, इज़ अ लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट. वो ब्रास नकल्स और स्टील नकल वाला कॉन्सेप्ट है. इसमें क्या है कि दिस इज़ समथिंग विच यू कैन वेयर ऑन योर ओन. अपने हाथ के ऊपर आपने पहना भी है, बट इसका क्लेम ये होता है कि आप ऐसे पकड़ के इसको पंच करेंगे या फिर वॉट एवर यू विल डू. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस ओपनिंग
This
थॉट्स?
is a very good weapon you can use anytime. At any time, it is over your hand. My hand.
ये
is
मेरा
very-
स्लिम है ना, एकदम स्लिम बॉडी है, तो स्लिम हाथ है मेरा.
Okay. So it is usually used by the Punjabis, right? Okay. Nowadays Kerala it is also common. I think
Yes.
it is
मैंने
seen by
बहुत
you.
पहले लिया था.
Yeah, and this is very heavy also. So it is also a point like Nakataka, Ippankan, like you can hit on the nose. You can hit on the points like temple wise, temple, and you can directly hit on here. It's all gone. So it is very effective one.
But my doubt is when we do a straight punch, right? This is like this is for my hand. This is better. So when we do like a straight punch, even with the slightest mistake or slightest thing, it will go like this or like this, right?
That's what I am saying.
Better
When you do this, there's a certain kind of
Grip.
grip is there that you have to practice. Otherwise, he's right. It can slip like this. So it is a grip like this. See, it cannot go. It cannot go anywhere. Right? That is it. So it depends upon your practice. What is it?
But would it be safe to say
No.
instead
no,
of
no,
punch?
No.
Huh?
No.
Eh?
Yeah. It is not safe actually because all the more it is striking straight punch and it is sort of
yeah.
scratching. Will
Yeah,
be better.
this would be better. Is it
That will
safe?
be better.
That's what I was saying. Is it safe to use it like this?
Yeah. That is better.
Because you can see इसमें जो sharp होता है, जो edge होता है, that can be enough damage. You don't have to 100% power तो नहीं चाहिए ना.
No. That's what
100% power नहीं
If you want to make the person knock down, you knock down. If you want to make the person knock down, direct it. Otherwise, just hit like like that.
So maybe in this kind of slashing method, it's better. Better than the punching method. I think this is better, right?
This is better. Yeah.
And,
At least your hand is not spoiled.
Yes.
Yeah, that is.
Because this, if it lands perfect, okay. Otherwise, it's going to sometimes hurt your own fingers.
Yeah.
एंड ये तो बहुत कॉमन वाला है. इसके जगह आपको थोड़ा हैवी वाले होते हैं. एंड आई कुड नॉट ऑन अ बेसिक इंटरनेट सर्च, आई कुड नॉट फाइंड एनीथिंग मोर देन गुरु निडर सिंह निहांग जी's वीडियो. सो ही डज नॉट नो व्हाट वीडियो वी आर मेकिंग. मैंने इनको लाके ऐसे खड़ा किया और एकदम स्पॉन्टेनियस थॉट्स आपके सामने हम प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. तो सो अदर देन गुरु निडर सिंह निहांग जी's videos, I could not find anything else, and that's a legit master in my opinion. I think you should explore the videos, and that's good. But he also goes into the historical side of the things where Vajramushti is different and it's given in Malla Puran, and how this is being used. Different photos are there, different paintings are there, depictions are there. But from a practical standpoint, we are just students of this art. So in our humble opinion, I think more than punching, it
the
would be
slashing will be better. But
Yeah.
if you know how to hold it with a good grip, it is more all the more good to hit somebody
Yeah.
and knock down.
But because this is a small weapon, na? This is a small force multiplier. So if it is something small, it requires more skill, in my opinion. लगता है आपको? Let me know in the comment section what you
So
think.
I'll add on here, self-defense point of view, you can use whatever you're using the ornaments, somewhere, something you can use.
There are ones with nails also.
Yeah.
So if you are holding it like this and the basic wrestling techniques, it will also it will work like the bagnak.
Yeah, yes. Yeah.
So those things are there, but here is something I found very interesting. More than this, if you just flip it to the other side, this is a way more comfortable one. You can see this is okay, whatever, but if you hold it like this, now there is some discomfort in the pinky finger, but otherwise ये मैंने भी बिलीव नहीं किया था पहले बार मैंने देखा था. आई थिंक दिस इज बेटर because you can punch, and if you want you can switch the grip, you can go for that techniques and you can slip like this, because अब you can try this yourself, just any kind of punching bag or whatever, it's very comfortable. आप खुद करके देखो, खुद करके देखो, just basic punching है, right? Comfortable है ना?
It's comfortable because
It does not mess with that. You can, if you have it in this grip,
Yeah.
now it acts as that kind of a thing, right?
It hurts.
It acts as that kind of a thing, right?
It hurts. It hurts.
So let us know what you think about this in the comment section. This is not a proper weapon kind of kada. This is a simple kind of kada that I am wearing. आपने वीडियो वगैरह में देखा होगा. और हमने basically एक spontaneous reaction discussion से किया
I
है.
never know what you are talking about. You just asked me, oh, Sandy, we are going to have the LED. That's what happening everywhere. He is not doing any script and all. All of a sudden, yeah, Papa come. Yeah, do.
Natural होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
तो वेपन के जैसे यूज कर सकते हैं, बट आपका फुटवर्क होना चाहिए,
Yeah.
फाइटिंग का स्किल आना चाहिए.
Ultimately,
Hands
what is the ultimate thing? Whatever you're doing, you should have some sort of, practice,
base होना
basic things. Yeah.
Yes. तो अगर आपको पंच किक वगैरह नहीं करना आता है, then this might not make a big difference.
Maybe.
है ना?
Maybe it is very difficult. You should know the basic.
वो अलग बात है कि वो बड़ा वाला हो तो अलग बात है.
It is,
Right?
you should, that.
And if you hold it like this, punching is comfortable and it becomes kind of a pulling force multiplier, right? Right? This kind of a thing.
Already happening. That's all.
So
Yeah.
this is it. This is what in our opinion we think this is something practical if you know how to punch and kick, and this is a good idea as well.
Good. That's all.
ठीक है? If you like the t-shirt I am wearing, you can click the link in description and explore our courses, video modules. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon.